Today's video deals with the cleaning of the dryer vents. Now, dryer vents can cause fires in the house, and a lot of fires have started because of the dryer vents being full, and we never think of cleaning them. And when we do actually think of cleaning them, we just think that we can take a long brush and put it into the vent and clean it like that. Well, that's not the way it's cleaned. So what we did is we invited Coit Cleaning and Restoration to come over to the house and actually clean a dryer vent. And we videotaped it to show you what process it goes through to get it cleaned perfectly to avoid any problems. As we talk to the gentleman who's doing the cleaning, towards the end, he's gonna tell us how many times it should be cleaned a year. So it's a lot of useful information. So here's a video, stick around and enjoy the video. And comment down below, let us know what you think of the video. Let us know if you enjoy these type of videos. We really think you will. It taught me a lot of things which I didn't know, and I'm sure it's gonna teach you a lot of things as well. Have an awesome time with the video and let us know what you think. So today we're here, we actually invited Coit, C-O-I-T, Cleaning and Restoration to come and clean out the vents, dryer vents in the laundry room. And when he comes here, he's going to explain to us why this is so necessary and so vital. I can tell you why, but I will let him tell you. So stick with us and we'll be with you in just 2 seconds. So we got Todd here from Coit. And Todd is actually has a big suction vacuum here that is going to connect to suck the what's it called? The lint?
The lint out of the dryer?
The lint out of the dryer. So bear with us.
Sometimes it adds more to set it up than it does to do the job.
That's what it looks like. So we found out there's a bird's nest on the side on the outlet, so we're moving the machine over to the vent to take it from the sides. Do you mind explaining to the viewers what can happen if you don't do this?
The worst scenario, it could catch fire. Normally you're going to run energy bill sky high. Your unit could break down, and then worst scenario, it could catch fire.
It's not a good scenario at all.
I've seen about 12 houses in my time that houses have burned down because of the dryer.
So how many times do you think that should be done yearly?
Once or twice every year.
Once or twice every year?
Depends on the situation. This one about once, maybe every year.
So then I have to do it again next year at the same time, basically, or earlier.
Yeah. If it's not drying the clothes, that means it's plugged up.
It's not.
And you put the clothes in again and again and again, that builds up your energy bill. It's just going sky high. It's not getting done, not drying the clothes. And then your heat element in your dryer is going to burn out. And you're going to think it's a service call. You buy a brand new dryer, it's going to have the same thing. And then next thing is if it gets any spark, it's so flammable, it can catch fire.
And that you don't want.
No.
Todd, I'm sorry to ask you, how long have you been with Coit?
Too long. 14 years.
14 years. And you've seen the worst?
Probably not. Nothing surprises me though, but I've seen quite a bit.
Well, this is Todd from Coit Cleaning and Air Duct Cleaning. So I'm gonna put the number down here on the video, so you can always reach Todd and Coit with that number. Okay, tell them that Tony and Tasha from the TNT group referred them to you, and they'll take good care of you, just like they took good care of us right now. Okay, so enjoy this video and take care now.